I'm gonna spray some WD-40. My hands, my worm. We're gonna see how that works. All right, first fish. Boom. In the boat. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Whitebeard Angler. Today I am fishing around Lake Wallula here on the Columbia River. I'm going to find out about catching some walleye using a buffalo rig. So I'm going for gold here on the Columbia. Glad you could join me. Let's get after it. So I've heard this trick forever, but I've never tried it. Somebody said, yeah, spray a little WD-40 on that. So I'm going to spray some WD-40 all over the buffalo rig. My hands, my worm. We're going to see how that works. I've never tried it before. Is it a myth or is there something to it? We're about to find out. All right, first fish I just got here. Got a new rig on. Not a bad sized fish. I bet that's going to be a Walter. Oh yeah, little Walter. Boom, in the boat. Look at that. Well, I gotta give a shout out to Ivan from Flat Out Fishing for turning me on to these buffalo rigs. And a big shout out to Ryan Redfern out of Nampa, Idaho for sending these to me. Appreciate y'all. Look what we're gonna do all day. Catch some Walters. Getting gold here on the Columbia. Well, we'll see what we got here. A little fish. Great thing about these walleyes in the Columbia River, they are predator fish. And as a predator fish, you can keep as many as you want. No limit on the gold. Nice little fish there. Take him home, fry him up. I'll tell you what, that WD-40's been working for me. Never tried it before until now, and I've caught a few fish using it. So that's a good thing, isn't it? There it is, little Walter. Alright, I think I hooked another one here. Oh, little baby Walter. We're going to throw that one back. It's about the same area I caught that last one. Look at that little beauty. Alright, put the worm back on and do it again. Oh, I'm loving that. That's a little bear fish. Oh, it's not either. Oh, I'm catching the babies. I need to get on the big ones. There we go. Oh, Walter, little baby. We'll do it again. Oh, I think I got a little more gold here. There it is. Oh yeah. Oh. That ain't no gold. You know what that is? That's a big old jumbo perch. Wow. There we go. That is a big old perch. That's almost as big as the walleye I caught. Oh, that will taste just as good, I guarantee it. Well, I was after gold, but I got a perch. Nice size one too, really. Perch. Well, there it is. Another day fishing. I caught some gold today. Caught some walleye, caught a big old fat perch. Did it all on the Buffalo rig that I got, and WD-40. It actually works. Who knew? Now you know, because you watched it here on the Whitebeard Angler. And I thank you. Ciao.